G'day guys, so today on Let's Talk Drinks, I'm going to make one of those cocktails that when you look at the ingredients you think, what the f*** were they thinking? Ladies and gentlemen, it is the Jägerita. Hi guys, so I love Jägermeister, okay? Jägermeister, the Master of the Hunt Jägermeister cocktail competition back in 2011 was the first ever cocktail competition that I won at the time, and I love it. I drink it a fair bit, but this cocktail, a Jägerita, when I read the specs, I thought, there is no way that this is going to work. I haven't tried it, so I'm going to make it for the first time, and I hope it's going to be good. All right, so the first ingredient that it calls for is obviously Jägermeister, but it calls for 60 mils or 2 ounces of Jaeger. My friends at Brown Forman are going to love this one. Next up, it calls for 30 mils of a triple sec. I'm going to use Cointreau. Next up, 30 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then 10 mils of sugar syrup, which I was like, hang on, isn't the triple sec and the Jaeger going to be sort of a little bit sweet there? But I have no doubt that because the guy who created it is David Cordoba, who's a fantastic bartender, it's going to be fine. Let's add some ice. Give it a good shake. All right. Going to strain it into a chilled coupette. And the garnish for this is just a lime wedge. Guys, this is the Jägerita. Okay, I was wrong. It's delicious. It is so underused in cocktails, I think, Jaeger. Like, honestly, it is really versatile. I would not have thought, look, for me, it's a touch sweet. I think maybe don't put the sugar syrup in. But as far as that flavor bomb that I'm getting from the Jaeger, that orange, the sourness coming through, it's a really good drink. I'm glad I made that. Guys, I remember I got a bottle of Jägermeister for my 21st many years ago, and everything's in German, so I'd never heard of Jaeger. My friend bought it for me because we're Metallica fans, and I think James Hetfield was drinking Jaeger, sculling it at a concert on stage, and I didn't know what to mix it with. Yes, many years later, Jaeger bombs were huge in Australia, they still are, but it's been around since 1935, you know, with all these special herbs that are in it. It wasn't created for Jaeger bombs to drink with Red Bull, so it needs to be used a lot more in cocktails, I really believe that. So, David Cordoba, that is a cracking drink. I'm not sure if you're still the global brand ambassador for Bacardi. We got to meet in Australia a few years ago, but I love what you've done there, fantastic. Guys, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.